Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 electric impact drill. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, 4-stroke gasoline driller. Specifications. Brand name, Yessa. No load speed, 7,000 revolutions per minute. Dimensions, 70 x 30 26 centimeters. Rated input power, 1900 W. Frequency, 50 Hz. Weight, 13 kilograms. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Wattage, 1500 watts to 1999 watts. Displacement, 37.7 cc. Fuel tank capacity, 0.65 liters. The item number 2 is Vivore 65A. Specifications. Brand name, Vivore. No load speed, 1200 revolutions per minute. Dimensions, 28 by 12 by 7 in. Power source, AC. Weight, 40 pounds. Model number, 65A. Motor power, 2200 watts. Voltage, 110 volts. 50 to 60 Hz. Chuck size, 1/1/8. Rated speed, 1200 RPM. Weight, 40 pounds. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Vivore Demolition. Specifications. Brand name, Vivore. Dimensions, 72 by 34 by 20 centimeters. Frequency, 50/60ths of a Hertz. Weight, 20 kilograms. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Wattage, 2000 to 3999 watts. Power, 1500 watts, 2200 watts, 3600 watts. Voltage, 110 volts for US, 220 volts for EU/EU. Chuck size, 1:1/8 inch, hex. Tool size 2200 watts, 410 millimeters. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.